Equations. So what is an equation? Equation is a math term which represents two sides, the left side and the right side. The equation is correct, the equation is true when both sides are the same. For example, 7 equals 7. So this is a valid equation. Let's take another equation. 6 equals 7. This equation is not correct. This is not an equation. This says inequation. So let's take a little more complex equation to understand what it is. 6 plus 1 equals 7. This equation is correct? Yeah, because 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so when does it get hard? Let's take a look at this equation. 6 plus x equals 7. So the x here is a variable. We can't know what its value until we will solve the equation. So the question here is actually, hey, 6 plus what will give me 7? Because I know that I must make sure that the left side of the equation equals to the right side of the equation. So what should I write instead of this x so that the equation will be correct? 6 plus what will give me 7? 6 plus 2 will give me 7? No, because 6 plus 2 is 8. It's not 7. So as you can see above, 6 plus 1 results in 7. So the result of the equation, x should be 1. X equals 1. So this is how we solve an equation. But there are harder equations. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take for example 8 plus x equals 13. Okay, so how can we solve this? 8 plus what will result in 13? 8 plus 1, 8 plus 2, how can we know what is the x? Of course, we won't go over all the possibilities of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until we will get the result. We need a way to solve it, a good method. So if we think about it, when we have an addition exercise of, let's take 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So we can know that 10 minus 8 also result in 2, because the minus operation is the opposite of the plus operation. So if we want to figure out what the value of x, we need to do 13 minus 8, and this will give us the solution. So 13 minus 8 is 5, so the result is x equals to 5. How can we know if this solution is correct? We can check. Let's put 5 instead of this x. Okay, 8 plus x, but x is 5, so 8 plus 5 is 13? Yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we know that our solution, the solution that we just have figured out, is correct. So this is how we solve basic equations. In the next videos, we will see more complex equation like this one, and we have a lot here. Wait for it and stick with us.